Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to merge text in Excel. At first, open your Excel document. You can see this first name, last name. Adjust to full name into one cells equal to first name space and last name, then enter. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.